unparalleled.
It is a great responsibility to take care of the safety of the employees and of the aircraft, especially here at Station 30, where different departments work simultaneously. Quality control, production, and testing. The key to our successful work lies in the harmonious cooperation required to build the aircraft on time, to the highest quality, and to everyone's safety.
En qualité et en sécurité pour tout le monde.
There are specialists for every task, however minor.
Will this be ready soon?
Yes, the specialists will drill the holes shortly, and then we can carry on.
Perfect. Super. I grew up in Toulouse, so I always saw planes and watched the maiden flights. The residents of Toulouse have always been surrounded by aviation. For me, working here was a dream from an early age.
Today, Claire supervises how workers here at Station 30 add the finishing touches to the A350. The workers, for example, close the last gap between the fuselage and the wing at the side of the aircraft. In the cargo hold, electrician Cédric Lourmand is testing the cabling. 180 kilometers of cable are installed in every A350. Keeping track of everything here is a complex undertaking.
In position now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Blue.
Okay.
Connected to ground.
The electricians test every single cable in the aircraft. All the systems are still accessible, for now.
We're testing the cables. This involves increasing the voltage in order to find out if the resistance is high enough. These are the cables that control the engines.
After the test, Cedric's colleague seals off all the connectors again. No dirt can be allowed to get into this sophisticated control system. All of the cables that the pilots use to control the aircraft's functions converge in front of the cargo hold below the cockpit. Safety-related systems are installed in duplicate for redundancy. Specialists inspect every single cable connection here too, irrespective of how difficult they are to get to. They're always conscious of their responsibility. Any mistake that electrician Nicolas Vignier makes now could have fatal consequences.
This is where the electronic control systems are located, the heart of the aircraft, as it were. When doing my job, I often think about all the passengers who will board this aircraft someday and set off on their travels with complete confidence.
Once all the function tests have been completed, the aircraft moves on to the penultimate station, Station 20, where its engines will be fitted. The A350 is powered by two state-of-the-art turbofan engines, developed exclusively for this aircraft by Rolls-Royce. It's the most fuel-efficient commercial aircraft engine in the world, the Trent XWB. The engine specialists hydraulically raise the massive turbine up to its mounting points below the wing. They bolt the 8-ton, 50,000 horsepower engine to the aircraft wing using just 2 mounting brackets. The massive turbine consists of more than 20,000 components, most of them fitted together by hand. Once the turbine is secure on the pylon, the hydraulic transport vehicle is lowered back down. A single turbine costs almost 32 million euros, so great care must be taken when maneuvering. Each of the 2 engines generates 374.5 kilonewtons of thrust. Each turbine consists of 22 titanium blades and has a diameter of nearly 3 meters. During takeoff, the engine takes in over a metric ton of air each second. Rolls-Royce uses state-of-the-art ceramic coatings inside the combustion chamber, because in this turbine, the air-fuel mixture burns at extremely high temperatures, in excess of 2,000 degrees Celsius. The upshot? Around 15% lower fuel consumption and significantly better emission levels than its predecessor. In addition to this, Trent XWB engines are much quieter than any other aero turbine, essential for planes flying over heavily populated conurbations. Before Airbus shipped the first A350 in December 2014, aircraft and engines were subjected to extensive stress tests under extreme climatic and weather conditions that the aircraft would not have to endure during normal operation.